Hey friends, this is Latif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my so many previous videos for the past several months, I've been showing you a very big falling wedge pattern that Algorand has formed on a weekly time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally the price end has broken out the resistance of this wedge here in the month of October 2023. And in my so many previous videos, I've been telling you that once Algorand will be able to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance of this very huge falling wedge pattern, then this long-term downtrend will be finished and a long-term uptrend will be started. And you can see that so far it has rallied very well from this low when it was testing the support of the wedge here last time up till this high. It has rallied more than 302%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone, a quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance zone, then we can see that from the month of October 2019 up till the month of December 2019, it had been breaking at a very strong resistance zone, and after the breakdown it was flipped into a resistance zone once again. It has been breaking at the resistance zone here, and after the breakout it was flipped into a support zone here, and then we had a big jump. Then for several weeks a month it has been breaking as a support zone here, and after the breakdown since after the month of November 2022, it is again breaking as a very strong resistance zone. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that we have broken out the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and after that the price end retested the previous resistance of lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. At the same time it also tested this quite long-term support of 15 cents and geared up, but it is once again rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is still moving very close to this upper bands to make another attempt to break out this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for injective protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case I shared the signal on 11th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand, and this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past several months. You can see that since after the month of Feb 2021 when we found the support of the wedge here, and by the way we found the resistance here in the month of September 2021, and since then it was not able to break out this resistance. And during this move to the downside we broke down very significant support zone that starts from 30 cents and goes to 25 cents, and it had been previously breaking as a resistance on here and resistance on here, support zone and support zone here, and for several weeks even months it had been breaking as a support zone. And after the breakdown since after the month of November 2022, it is again flipped into a strong resistance zone, and you can see that the price line so far not able to break out even after breaking out this wedge pattern. And this rally that was more than 300%, the price line could not break out this resistance zone. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance zone, and we will also need to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And once this cloud will be also broken out, then this cloud will be flipped into a strong support for the price line, and this resistance zone will be also flipped into a strong and long-term support for the price line once it will be broken out. Now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern, that target is by the way here at the top of this wedge. That can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.